How to fade to white in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added 2 videos to my timeline and I want my first video to fade to white and my second video to appear from white. Go to the Effects panel and click on Video Transitions. Drag and drop Dip to Color Dissolve into the end of your video in timeline. Click on the transition to select it and open the Inspector panel. Change the color to a white color. You can see that the video fades to white, but at the end, it will show a black screen, which is not what I wanted. To fix this problem, move the playhead to the end of the transition. Then set transition curve to 0.5. We also can change the transition duration. We also can apply dip to color in between our clips. Select the transition again and change its color to a white color. This will cause our first clip to fade out to white and our second clip to fade in from white. Apply transition to the start of your clip and change its color to a white color. Now you can see that my video starts from a black color, but I wanted it to be white. So, move the playhead to the start of your transition and select the transition. Then in the inspector, set transition to 0.5. And now we have a fade to white transition. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.